Hi guys, welcome to our journey. So today we got dumplings.
And we,
Mom helped us with the seal. And we wanted to open them with you guys. Let's open them. 3, 2, 1. The red one is so cute.
It's so cute. The pink one, so cute.
It's so cute.
Hey, you want to be friends?
Yo. I love this so much.
Look.
Dumplings are so cute. They're at Five Below Hallmark, but they might be sold out. So yeah. But bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.